Meaning of full fat.
Full fat.
Full fat.
Full fat.
Full fat. The term full fat typically refers to dairy products that have not been skimmed or reduced in fat content. This includes milk, cheese, and yogurt that contain the naturally occurring fat content. The term is also used more broadly to describe food products that have not had any of their calories or fat content reduced, such as snack foods and desserts. Consuming full-fat dairy products has been linked to several health benefits, such as improved cholesterol levels and lower body weight. However, it's important to consume them in moderation as they can be high in calories and saturated fat.